Hello.
Hello.
Hi, namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
I'm Vicky.
Vicky, where from?
I'm originally from the United States, but I've been living in Austria for the past 20 years, so that's where I am now.
Okay. So you are here for online 200 hour yoga TTC.
Yes.
Okay. Have you done some practice before?
Yes, I have. I've been practicing for several years and I actually just finished the 100-hour training in Rishikesh at the Pyramid Yoga School.
At the same school?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did the
Which
100 hours, but now I want to do the whole thing so that I can actually teach.
all right. Which style do you practice?
Which style?
Yeah, I mean vinyasa or hatha yoga or ashtanga vinyasa.
We did Hatha and we also did some Ashtanga.
Okay.
But I've also done Iyengar too in the past.
All right. I'm Mukesh, so I will be teaching you here the, the practice of asanas. Okay.
Okay.
So uh, so in this month we will practice the hatha yoga or ashtanga both. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be I think something maybe 15 days hatha yoga, 15 days your
Okay.
ashtanga.
Mm-hmm.
So in the hatha yoga, what you gonna learn? You gonna learn the exercise, how you can improve your muscles and the joints. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, you're gonna learn the practice of the asanas with the alignment, and I will I will teach you the asana with the support of the wall, maybe support of the chairs, the straps. So
Okay.
whatever will be required, we will do that. Okay.
Okay.
And the asana will be the practice of asana will be with the alignment. There will be more focus on the alignments.
Okay.
Okay. And yes, you will learn the hatha yoga sun salutation also.
Okay.
Yes. In the stanga, in the stanga is always like the we practice the primary series.
Mm-hmm.
Have you done before primary series?
I did the first portion of it, yeah. I can show you
Yes.
on the poster how far we got. To
Yeah.
the chair pose, the Utkatasana.
Yes. So in Ashtanga we'll learn the primary series. So later when we practice Ashtanga, then you will know what is the primary series. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So in Ashtanga we'll practice the primary series. If you can maybe you can if you don't know about the primary series, you can search on the YouTube or internet something. You will
Okay.
find it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is all about your practice, and in the end of this month, there will be teaching practice.
Me?
Yes, teaching practice.
No. No. I won't
No,
be
no,
starting.
I'm saying end of this month there will some teaching practice. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes, and then your exam also.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes, so there will be exam. So later we will let you know when the exam and when the teaching practice will come. Okay,
Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
that's good. So, do you have any questions?
No, just what what kind of background do I need? Like what do you all need to see when I'm actually practicing? Or is it more important that I see you?
It's better to clean behind you
Yeah.
that I can see on you. So like behind my is just a wall here like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it can be like this.
Yeah.
Like front of me is like this, so you can.
Okay.
So you can have something like that. I can focus easily, you know.
Right. Right. Okay.
That I can see you properly, you know.
Okay.
And if there is no, if we don't have a space, then we will adjust, no problem.
Okay. I'll try to figure something out. I have to make sure that there's no one else around. So. But,
If there is no space, it's okay. We can adjust.
okay. Or I can cover things maybe. My cat is watching. I hope that's okay.
She will practice with us.
Yes. Yes. She will. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have a strap. What I've been using is an old a judo strap from my son's judo belt. So I don't have the real strap with the buckles on it. So I guess I need to get that.
There's no. You can buy outside.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have
And
blocks? Your blocks?
I have 2 blocks, but they're different sizes, so they're not matching.
It's okay. No problem. No need matching. We just want to use the blocks. You know. There's no
Yeah.
about
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. If you find somewhere straps, you can buy it. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
That will be because that band is not comfortable. You know, which we wear on the west.
Yeah, it doesn't connect either. I just use it sometimes for like stretching behind and things like that, but not for any like for sitting in the in.
Can you show me?
Show it to you?
Can you show me that band?
Yeah, I'll show you. So my son used to do judo, and this is just his belt from judo, like a belt, you know. But
Understand.
there's no buckles on it. So I can
Um,
put buckles on it. That's
okay, but still we can use it. Still we can use it.
yeah, for some things, yeah. For
Yeah.
like
If there's no buckle, it's okay, no problem. We
okay.
can use it
Okay. Yeah.
because it's a smooth, you know.
Hmm?
It's a smooth. You can move it easily, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yes,
Yeah.
still we can use it, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so today is no class, so from tomorrow we will start. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I think there's gonna be someone else, another person.
Yeah, there's one more person I think. So tomorrow we'll practice all together. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
All right. So thank you for now and enjoy. Have a what time is there now? Day or
It's like
evening?
4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, so almost evening.
Yeah. So
So have a good evening and enjoy. See you tomorrow.
you have a good evening too. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, thank you. Namaste.
Thanks. Namaste.
Bye.
Bye.